Hi friends, I am Sally. Welcome to Nano Gardens, Sally's World. How to make our garden look different? I know you all know so many ideas. Just make a lawn at a corner or make a water pool with water lilies or lotus or make a stone garden. You can see what is my new idea. Look here, see the stunning waterfall idea with turtle vine. This is a mud pot. It is placed in an elevated area and the turtle vine is flowing down and spilled in the form of a waterfall. Is it nice? I reused this pot. It is a broken pot. Here it is broken and underneath also it is broken. You can reuse a mud pot into this idea. And from this, in order to do a waterfall idea, you have to choose a suitable place. If you choose a elevated area, it is very suitable for it. Then take a mud pot or plastic pot with wide mouth. You can see how to do. I will show you. I think it is a nice place for us to make a waterfall. We can, I told you, we can use either mud pot or a plastic pot with wider mouth. I will show you. You can use this type of pot for a spill pot idea or a bigger one. Or you can use a plastic pot like this. Either mud pot or plastic pot according to your wish. And place it in an elevated area. We can mud or any other bricks or anything to form that elevated position. See, I filled the place with the potting soil. Now we can plant the turtle vine. Now we can plant turtle vine inside. Just keep a bit here, then put some soil. Put some soil on the top. Then it will grow and fall down. From inside, it will flow down, and we can keep a bit from here also. And we can add more soil. It will become a nice flowing type. Here also you can put a little. We can put some soil on the top of this also. A little more. we have planted it, then we have to water it thoroughly. If you like this project, do it in your house, and if you like it, give a like, share it, and subscribe. Thank you.